Stop scrolling. Your money energy has shifted literally as you landed on this video. I'm picking up on the energy and we're going to give you a reading based on your financial situation. So I'm not saying this lightly, okay? The card that came out as soon as I tapped into your energy, we have the Queen of Pentacles in the reverse. Okay, so you're stepping into a financial timeline you've never experienced before. With this being the reverse, it's telling me that, you know, this is something that you've never experienced before. This is for the person who's been saying, I'm doing everything right, so why isn't the money showing up? So Spirit heard that, and here's your confirmation that things are going to get better for your financial situation. Let's see what we have next. We have the Devil in the reverse. This is your card number 1. This is the block of why you're not getting the money. So your first card shows the block that's been in your way of getting that financial freedom, okay? This isn't a lack of opportunity. This is you settling, okay? This is you dimming yourself or holding yourself back because you've been afraid to outgrow the people around you, right? The Devil card has to do with, you know, past energy. So I feel like this is people from your past, people who are around you, right? Spirit saying you weren't stuck, you were shrinking, okay? That's how it is. That's how it's been around these people. Let's get the next card out here. Another card in the reverse, you guys. Okay, so card number 2 is the 5 of Swords in the reverse. This is your breakthrough, okay? Sorry, you guys, I have a cold, so my nose is so stuffy. If you're having a hard time understanding what I'm saying. But this is making me feel like someone is about to mention your name in a room that you're not in, okay? A door that was shut is about to open. Money you didn't expect, yes, that kind, it's aligning with you right now, okay? So I do feel like a big shift is happening, and I'm being shown a shift within the next 7 to 14 days where something just clicks, and this could be like a promotion, a payment, a client, a check. Yes, this is like a green light for you, a green light, okay? Oh my gosh, you guys, another one in the reverse. What the heck? We have the 4 of Wands in the reverse. This is your card number 3, okay? This is the blessing that you're going to receive. And here's the blessing that I'm feeling for you. Your energy is moving from survival mode into receiving mode. I'm seeing like financial security, financial stability. This is something you've never had before. That's why the card's in the reverse. It's something you've never had before, but you're not chasing anymore, okay? Money is starting to chase you. So whether you have $5 or $5,000 right now, Spirit's saying the amount you see today is not the amount you're gonna see in the near future. And this is something that you're gonna have to get used to. This is your new reality. And you know, part of it is just believing that you can have these nice things. I feel like this reading is your confirmation, okay? So if you're reading this, if you're seeing this, if you're hearing this, this is your first sign from the universe. Your finances are not stuck, they're recalibrating, okay? And I know that at this time of the year is when we all are thinking about money most, right? So watch how quickly things shift when you stop doubting your worth, right? That's half the battle. We have to be an energetic vibrational match to what we're wanting. So you have to stop doubting yourself, okay? Okay, let's pull one more. We have the World with the Ace of Cups, you guys. Big energy, big energy with this. Aces are about new beginnings. Cups are about emotional fulfillment. The World, this is like the top of the tower, right? It's all coming together. So claim this energy. If your spirit is buzzing right now, type I receive or save this for when the money hits, because it is hitting, it's coming, and that is what I have for you, okay? I will see you guys next time. Make sure you're following me, and if you like these tarot cards that I used today, I made them myself. They are available in the TikTok shop, but when I sell out of them, I'm not gonna make any more. So if it interests you, now's the time to get them while they're still available, okay? Bye, guys.